Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with yes, it's the Ecto-1 stages 115 to 118 by heart. Yes, and I've got everything at the ready, as you can see on the side camera right here. I've got the magazine at the ready. I've got my ecto1.com at the ready to see if there's any little things that are going slightly different to what the magazine shows. And there's already one that is different to what they're posted. So let's get into this beautiful build and start with the famous belly cam. Okay, we've got all cameras rolling. Rolling. Keep those cameras rolling. And we've got sound as well. 115. All right, let's get everything out. Nothing in there anymore. Nope. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. 4 of those. Window wipers in their arms. And this little thing. Now let's see what we start with. We've got these blue lights here. We've got the inner lights here. We've got 2 window screen wiper heads. And we're going to start with, and that was a little mistake that the magazine makes, we've got 2 wires to get out. They said L and E, but the E wire is the M wire for Michael and not the E wire. And I checked that on my ecto.com, and he shows it to be the M and not the E wire, as you can see right there. And he also says it's incorrectly put on in the magazine. It's the M wire. All right, so we get these out, and I can zoom in a little bit more because we're doing little things here. We're getting that one out, putting the lights in and bending them down, as they said. I think we need to put them into the blue things that come out, otherwise nothing happens here. So this is what you need to do. So you put it through that one and then through that one. Then you push that light with those posts. There we go. You push that in, and that is what you should have. So what we do, and I'll show you again. You push it through that one, then get that one out and push the light into the little hole there, and then those posts that you have right there go into the holes that we have right there, and you bend that wire up a little bit, so because the hole is a little bit lower than where the light comes out. So have a look at that. There is a thicker and a thinner post, because otherwise they won't fit in. You'll be pushing like crazy and you'll breaking the little legs that are there. So we've got all those lights in, as you can see on this side. This is the M wire. So we're going to put it to the side and see what's next. We get those together. So we pushed it on like so. And then we're going to get the R screws out, RP screws out. Very small ones, so get your smallest screwdriver screw head out. And this is going pretty darn easy. I thought it would be a lot harder to do. So that is the left hand side. There's an L on the other side. And this is what we have then. This one needs to be a bit tighter. It's moving like around like a little kitten. There we go. Left hand side, right hand side. When we're going to put that to the side, we're going to get the body out, because we're going to put them on. But where? Oh, where? This is hard for you to see. but I do think you can see it. Right there and there is where we are going to put AP screws in, and on the other side the lights. Yep. See, we've got one light in, and these are very hard because I want it upside down, but this thing is so big, it's hard to do. You can't see it, but you know from the last one I did that it's there. Lights, front lights are on, and I am going to put it in my lap because that's the only way I think I can put the back lights on as well. And that is what we see. I hate these things. These come loose every single time, all of them. I'll have a look at what my Ecto, how he does it. I need to have a look at that. But as you can see, the lights are on both sides. You don't see the other side, but it's there, believe you me. I need to tighten it up a little bit more. All right, that's one side done. And when I looked at it, I thought it wasn't that bad, but it's not as easy as I thought it would be. The thing is, it's not lots, but it ain't easy. All right, window screen wipers, as you can see, are on as well. Alright, that's marked L, that's marked R, that's marked L, that's marked R, and this is somewhere in between. Looking good. Okay, these are the parts. Stage number 116. Alright, so how do we start? So we take that one out, put that on top, and then that post has to go through. Wow, there's a very small hole on the side of this. Needs to go on like that. We might as well do that with Bosch. Let's put these on first. Some RP screws, in this case the black ones. 1, 2, 3. Get that very fine screwdriver out. Don't tighten up all the way because we need to put that post through as well. Then a GP to put that post in on the other side, right there, and this is what's going in the middle. But when both are in, come on, this is a fiddly thing because that post wants to twist all the time. All right, that side is on. Then we put a TP screw in the middle to keep those sun visors in with those little, this is a fiddly thing to do, guys. Wow. That is not an easy thing to put on, guys. My goodness. I'm sweating. It's good that, and I said that last time as well, this is good that it's not smell-o-vision. There you go. Alright, there we go. Sun visors are on. Alright, this is stage 117, as you can see right there. We're going on with the top here, which is here in what they call it, CB radio. I think that's a little bit thick, but I haven't got anything, no screwdriver that is thinner than that. So sorry about that. But before I do that, chai. Alright, we're getting that one out. We're opening them up and putting that one on and putting some RPs in there. In this case, all silver ones. We're getting the very thin screw head out. All right, let's go on. And we're putting this CB radio on. We're putting that top part on, and there's only one way to put it on, but that's you'll find that out. Let's get the sprue cutter out. There we go. That's why they gave you a little bit more. Don't know if you saw that, but one of the buttons flew like all the way to the carpet monster. So we put those on. The wire can't get in here because it's not through, so now I need to put a needle in there. That is what we have, and we're going to put it on like so, and put 2 KPs on each side, and that is what we should have. And I'm going on my to be working on my lap again to put that in, because I can't put that on the floor with all those wires coming through. There, as you can see, it's in. Now we need to screw it in. And they are EMs, these, and we do need a bit of oil for that, so let's get that close as well. And you can see that from the top camera in a little bit of a strange angle, because there's no other angle I can put it in for. You need to push that sun visor up a bit to get that in, but it will work. Alright, let's turn this thing upside down again. Downside of the right side up. And be careful that you don't drop it. It's a pretty hefty thing. And I'm going to do a shout out to Jason, one of my Patreons. And Jason knows who I mean. He's going through a rough time at the moment. I hope you enjoy this one, and all the best to you, Jason. And these in 118. Have a look at those. There's an arrow that should point out to that thing. And I think we need to get a wire out. And those are the 2 lights that come from the side, I think. So these 2 blue lights that I just put away are these wires. And the cables coming from this side here are the ones I'm talking about. A blue and a black light. We are going to put those onto that. And let's see, I need the longer one on that side and the shorter one on this side. So the right one is the blue. Okay, then we put this one on the left hand side and push that cable down and put that sticker on. Okay, that's in good. The wires must come out. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, that panel is in. Make sure that those wires can be put through right neatly in there. We've got more than enough space to do that. And I think we've got more than enough cable left, so let's see what's going on with that light. I'll be back in a second, guys. Okay, this is the car here. I just broke that, but I glued that together. I put the side panel. Oh, I can't see that when I'm. And the one in the back broke as well. But you need to put them on. But be very, very careful when you put stuff on. Well, I've got to fix another one here. Sorry, Jason. This is not the nicest one to do because a lot of things are going wrong, and I'm cursing myself for parts of that's going on. But this is the build. So see, I've broken that as well, so I need to re-glue that as well. So be very, very careful when you do this, guys, and because there are a lot of little things that can break. As you can see, this one broke, that one broke, the one in the back broke as well. I thought I've done it carefully enough, but I haven't, so be careful with that. Thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time on any of my builds. Maybe this or anyone's of the one you see in the back, where I forgot to put the lights on. But thank you very much for this one. See you next time. Bye bye.